If you like puzzles, this is the greatest puzzle ever.
It looks almost exactly like a real dinosaur.
Such a complex life form. To design him is like playing four-dimensional chess. You may think that you have it covered in these 2 dimensions down here, but every time you move that piece, there's repercussions all the way up through the level.
So we have 15 things that are actuated using 14 motors. If we decide that we want to make a little adjustment in the head, and we change the size of the head, that changes the weight of the head, and that affects the amount of power that it takes to lift the head, which affects the gearing that we need for the motors, and that affects how much current we draw, which affects the play pattern.
So engineers just love a challenge, to have somebody tell them that a task is impossible to perform. That sets their creative wheels turning.
So one of the main interaction sensors are the 8 touch sensors that are on the legs and the back and the chin and the head.
The wiring for that was, when you saw the very first Pleo, it looked like a rat's nest of wire. The challenge for our manufacturing partners was to try to figure out how to get all of these wires contained inside Pleo's body.
Everything in Pleo affects everything else.
Pleo has to articulate in the center of the torso. The challenge was to keep the battery from interfering with that articulation or that motion. Final design that the engineers came up with looks like this, where you can simply remove the cassette and charge the battery up externally.
So it's this blend of art and science and the collision and interaction of all these diverse elements that makes Pleo a very rich and rewarding and challenging project.